But yeah, this is arguably the hardest time to trade of the day. So I thought this would be instructive in that I'm not afraid to step into this. It's nice to trade over extensions and that kind of thing because the risk isn't as much. So it's harder to trade, it's harder to make profits, but you can if your account size is big enough and that kind of thing. And the risk is a little bit less because the moves aren't as drastic as the open where things just get wild. All right, I'm looking to get short here, probably above 35-ish. Let's see how hard this pushes. Again, futures haven't really done anything. I'm gonna bet that this is the last leg of this push. I think there's a lot of protection at 63.40, so we want to get as close, short as close to that as possible. So I'll short 500 shares. We'll see how it goes. Bid's starting to pick up a little bit, 63.32. Let's get as much as possible, and then we'll just hit the button. It's just not really pushing much farther. Really, it's just a game about patience and being patient to get a really good price. Here we go. Maybe this will be it. 33. Let's see if it goes to 35. It's touching up. It's picking up. 35. Keep going. 40 would be amazing. 37, 38 would be amazing. Starting to pick up. Futures are ticking up. This is a good, well-timed move on the market maker's part. I'm gonna wait because they've got everything in their favor right now. I don't know where this is gonna stop at the moment. I think they've got control of this and they can push it a little bit higher. 35. Give me 40. 40 would be great. I hit the button at 38, trying to get 38. I got 37 and a half. So I short 500 shares at 37 and a half cents. And let's see how that goes. So I'll queue up my order for the next one. It's in the money right away, a couple cents. I mean, this isn't a crazy mover. Um, so it looks like we've got a decent price there. So let's give this a few minutes. It's 12:25 now. I do pay commissions. So this went our way right away. We're up 5, 6 cents already. This is a really good entry. So give it a little time to come off. The market's kind of going our way too. So 10 cents would be, you know, should be pretty quick. But maybe there's more in it. So 10 cents would be about 27. Yeah. I think we played that just right. They could easily let this come back into the low 20s, like below 25 even. Meanwhile, Facebook never really got up there to anywhere interesting. Um, didn't really glance at Microsoft, but and somehow they're pushing this just a little bit higher. 37 again on the bid. That's where we got short. Hopefully it doesn't go too much more. Usually I want to see this going my way 38. I really think we're protected here at this 40 level where all this is. And that's why we were lucky for them to get it this high. I think the futures upticking during lunch helped this out a little bit, but it didn't make a new high just now. It's still we're um we're in the money now again. So it's 12:25 after the execution. Let's see how fast we can take 10, 11 cents out of it. That'd be down at the 26 level, or maybe more. But hopefully it's topped out there. There, it's coming off now. So maybe it picks up, 10 cents really fast, and then it actually has some momentum to the downside. But yeah, not the fastest moving stock on the planet. But you want to be quick too. If it does retrace, you know, I think 10 cents of lunchtime on this would be decent, unless it makes a big move, like a quick candle for that 10 cents and surprises everybody. Then you probably hold it longer. But trying to keep these within the lunchtime hour and not hold on to trades for 50 minutes or something. So hopefully this takes a move. 26 would be good. It'd be almost 11 cents, or 26 would be 11 cents. I do pay commissions, of course, but so it's been 5 minutes. We've been in the trade 5 minutes. It hasn't gone against us. I was hoping for a little bit more of a move in our favor, but I do get a little bit wary after like 5 to 7 minutes. I like to see these go my way right away. And I mean, this kind of has it shown a little weakness. It's just a lull. So we give it a few more minutes, and if it doesn't start to make a kind of get in the money better, we'll look for the best exit. I was hoping for a little bit more on my screen. It's a blue candle, it's a down candle. Just a little bit more downward movement. The futures really aren't doing anything. Yeah, it's slow. So we're about 7 minutes into the trade. I'm not really happy with the price action here. I thought that was a pretty good price and it would come off quicker. So I'm wary. I'm probably looking to get out of here soon. And now it's going higher. So I'm not worried about a touch in 40. That might be the last hurrah. I thought there was a bunch of resistance here and stops to run. So that's only a couple cents up off of our entry. So I'm not panicking at this point, but I'm not thrilled. I thought our entry was pretty good. So now I'm really looking to get out on the next opportunity. If I take 2 cents out of the trade, I'll flat with commissions. Um, but let's see how it does at this 40 level. I think this is a big resistance spot. Hopefully it doesn't push through. If it does, I'll probably cover pretty quickly. But hopefully it bounces off this pretty quick. And it looks like it is. It's going to. It's just lunchtime lull. So here it is. It's back in the money again. Maybe that was the last push. And maybe there's some profits to take. But yeah, I'm looking to get out here if this thing doesn't put up some down candles, or at least move in the money a little bit more. We saw it as low as 31. So the speed with which it approached that again gives me an idea of whether or not I should stay in longer or not. So it's back in the money. But you want to get paid for this risk. So, I had 3 or so cents at risk. I stayed in it a while. It's starting to come off now fast. You can see the price is down now. It's accelerating down. So we were on the right side. It's a nice surprise. Let's see if we can get it around 26. Yeah, it started to come off really quickly there. So it's a good indication we're on the right side. So maybe it'll get to an extreme and we'll cover. There it goes. So, and I covered at 63.27. So maybe it had more in it. Um, but basically made about 10 cents on it. So about 50 bucks, 40 bucks minus commission. Looks like it came off a few more cents, or it's struggling right there. But that's pretty good for today. Time and trade was about 10 minutes. I think we shorted it at 12.25 and we closed it out at 12.35. So after commission's about 40 bucks. But with that, I'm going to call it finished my lunch. That's the kind of stuff you're looking for. Um, I think it's low risk. We did play resistance levels, so note that. It's really just being patient and wait for the trade to get there. But I hope that helps. I'll see you guys next time.